that. I hope you all of you come to know that what is this and what is that and what is near and what is far. Okay, today we'll start class, but before starting the class we'll say one prayer. All of you close your eyes and say the prayer along with me. Shuklam Baradaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopa Shantaye. Okay, now slowly open your eyes. And all of you open your page number 60, language and grammar part, page number 60, that is activity sheet 3. Activity sheet number 3. Before starting this topic, I would like to ask you some questions. Do you know parts of the body? Can you tell me some parts of the body? You already learnt in the EVS subject, isn't it? I think the first lesson in EVS is parts of the body, and in previous class also you learnt about that. So tell me some parts of the body. Parts names. Yes. Will come from upside. Okay. Head. Yes. Forehead. Eyes. Nose. Hands. Ears. Cheeks. Chin. Isn't it? Neck. Legs. Thumb. Stomach. These all are the parts of the body, and we also have some more 5 important sense organs. Sense organs. Do you know which are those 5 sense organs? Yes, those are the eyes, nose, ears, skin, and which is the another one? I'll repeat once again. Eyes, nose, ears, skin, and one more. Which one is that? Taste, mouth. Yes, these all are the 5 sense organs. So, this topic, the activity sheet is about the which one? Parts of the body. Parts of the body. Okay, I told you what are the parts of the body. So, for example, what the eyes will do? What is the work of eyes? From our eyes, we can see the things around us, isn't it? So, just to imagine, without your eyes, you cannot see anything. The whole world is blank, isn't it? Yes or no? ಎಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಏನು ನಡೀತಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ನೇಚರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅನುಭವಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕಣ್ಣನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ? ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಐಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೋಸ್. ವೈ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನೋಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, some dishes your mother is preparing. The smell is very delicious. Some smell is coming. So how you will find out that? With the help of your nose, isn't it? So to identify the smell, we need our nose. How many nose you have? We have only one nose. Yes, we have 2 eyes, isn't it? Next comes to the tongue. So tongue, how you use the tongue? To taste the food. The tongue work is to taste the food, whether it is good or bad, whether it is tasty or a sweety or a sour or a salty. So find out the different taste. You need tongue to feel the taste of the food, isn't it? Okay, next comes to the ears. What is the work of ears? To hear the sounds. The ear work is to hear the sounds. Yes. Next, skin. So 4 I told, and the last one is skin. So if you feel something means, then how you feel that? If for example someone pinch you means, you feel that now you will feel pain, isn't it? That is the sensation of our body. By the skin is also one of the sense organ. Yes. So the main 5 sense organs is, I'll repeat once again, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Yes. Okay, we'll move toward the exercises now. All of you open page number 60. Okay, open this page. Draw lines to match each sentences with the help of the correct picture. Okay, so the first one is see. I use my eyes to see. I use my eyes to see. So I told you the work of the eyes. Why you use your eyes? You use your eyes to see the things around you. Yes, the first one, where you will match? Eyes. I use my eyes to see. Where you will use that? See. The boy is reading the book. So you draw a line to here. From here to here. Okay. Next, we pick up things with our hands. We pick up things with our hands. Where is the hands? This one. The boy, the hands are holding some strawberries. So, second one match to this. We pick up the things with our hands. The hand work is to pick up the things. Next, my sister smells the flower with her nose. Smells flower with, where is the flower? Here. She is smells the smell of the flower. Next, the baby eats with her mouth. The baby eats with her mouth. Where you will match? You will match to this. Okay. The baby eats with the help of mouth. Next, we use our legs to run. We use our legs to run. So, we use our legs to run. Last one, fifth one here. Okay. So, we use eyes to see and we use hands to pick up the things. Okay. See here. For example, I am holding the pencil in my hand. Isn't it? With the help of my hands, I am holding this pencil. And also I am holding this book. Isn't it? Next, my sister smells flower with her nose. Some smell. How you will find out that? By smelling. With the help of your nose, you will find out the smell of the flower or something. Isn't it? Next, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವಾಸನೆಯನ್ನು ಹೂವಿನ ವಾಸನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೂಗಿನಿಂದ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಾಸನೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the baby eats with her mouth. Mouth. So, why you use your mouth? To eat the snacks, to eat the food, to eat the lunch. You use your mouth. Yes. So, mouth ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು, ತಿನ್ನೋದು, ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೌತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. Yes. Next, we use our legs to run. We use our legs to run. So, what is the work of our legs? Running. How will you run? With the help of your hands? No. With the help of your legs, you will run. Isn't it? We use our legs to run. Yes? Okay. Next, I will show you the one more examples. Okay. The parts of the body, which are those? Eyes. Next, second one. Ears. Next, third one, nose. Fourth one, hands. Okay, next, fifth one, legs. Okay, next, there are so many are there. Here I am giving only examples. Eyes means to see. Why you use eyes? Eyes to see. Yes. Next, ears to hear. Ears are there to hear. Yes. Next, nose to smell. Nose is there to smell. Yes. Next, hands to pick up the things. To pick up the things. Okay. Next, legs. Why you use legs? To run or to walk. To run or to walk. Yes. For the walking purpose or the running purpose, you use that legs. Next, mouth. To eat the food. Next, mouth. To eat the food. Come to know eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, mouth. So, what is the eyes work? To see. The eyes are there to see. The ears are there to hear. The nose is there to smell. The hands are there to pick up the things. Legs are there to run or to walk. Next, mouth is there to eat the food. Mouth is there to eat the food. Got my point? Understood? Okay. All of you come to know that. So, here only draw these lines and also if possible collect the pictures of this. Okay. The homework is collect the pictures of parts of the body. I will write it here. The homework, collect the pictures of parts of the body. Okay. Collect the pictures and paste it in your notebook, that is in the English grammar book. Paste it and write few words about that parts of the body. What is the work of that part? Got my point? Understanding? Yes. Next. Is this clear? The parts of the body. Come to know that? Okay. And homework I have written here. Collect the pictures of parts of the body and write the few words about that. Okay. In the grammar section, you need to write this in the grammar part. Understood? Okay. Next, we'll move to the page number 61. We'll move to the page number 61. Okay. So, picture reading. The picture reading is there here. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the box. Use each word only once. Here they have given the some words in the word box. So, and the some picture is they have given here. So, open your textbook page number 61. Okay, see here. In the picture, what they have given? This is school. The children, the students are sitting. Okay, the sir is teaching the lesson. Yes, and observe this picture. What are the things are there? Observing. Okay, and here some words they are given. These, she, that, we, he.
Pause.
These, she. Yes, students. So observe it here. The sir is teaching the lesson and the students are listening to the sir. Yes, and the words they have given, which are those? These, she, that, we, he. Yes. And here the one girl is there. Her name is Ami. Hi, my name is Ami. The girl name is Ami. So what you have to do is, this is the picture reading. Totally picture reading. Means you can fully observe that picture. Okay. I will show you by writing on the board. So, this is the activity sheet number 4. Now, this is the activity sheet number 4. Okay. Picture reading. Hi, my name is Ami. Means that girl name is Ami. The first one is, this is Ami. Here, the blank they have given that is my friend. Means, what you have to choose? These, she, that. Some words they have given that. Means, these, she, that. Next, we, he. By choosing these words, you need to fill that blanks. The first one, which one you will write? Hi, this is Ami and dash is my friend. Means she is my friend. So you need to write there she. The answer is she. Choose from here and write it down in the blank. She. Next, dash are my friends. Second one, which one you will write? These are my friends. So choose these. The second one is these. These are my friends. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ friends ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? These are my friends. Okay. Next, third one. Dash or all are students of class 1. Means we they have given here we. Yes, it's there now. So you need to write it here. We all are student of class first. We andre ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ? First standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ, first class. Okay. Next, fourth one. Dash is Mr. Matho, our class teacher. So see here, observe here. Sir is there or a teacher is there in the picture? Here they have shown the sir. So whenever the male person is there, that time you need to use he. If the lecturer is female, means teacher, that time you need to use she. Male idre he use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, female idre she use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? He is Mr. Matho, our class teacher. Our class teacher ಯಾರು? Mr. Matho. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? He. The fourth one is he. Okay. Next comes to the fifth one. Next, teaches us English. Means again you need to use he. He teaches us English. He is the Mr. Matho, our class teacher, and he teaches us English. Means he is the class subject teacher of English. He is the English subject teacher or the sir. Understood? Clear? Yes. Next, copy these all answers in your textbooks. First one she, second one these, third one we, fourth one he, and fifth one he. Okay. Turn the page. Learning new words. Learning new words. Write the names of these colors. Have you seen the rainbow? All of you seen rainbow? And do you know the colors names also? Isn't it? So you need to write the names of the colors. Here they have given the some colors. 8 colors they have given. You need to mention that colors names. Look at the picture. Which color it is? First one, red. Yes. Next, second one, green. Third one, blue. So like this, write the each and every color name. Okay. Next, now color these pictures as written. Means take out your crayons, color these pictures. They have given the which color you have to put there. They have given orange. Means here they have given the 2 balloons. For the one balloon you need to color with the orange color. Next, second one with the blue color, blue crayon. Use crayons. Don't use sketch pens. Use crayons only. Here orange crayon and here blue crayon. Next, the cloud they have given, and also they have mentioned the color also, black. The cloud you need to color with the black color. Next, yellow. Sun is which color? Yellow. So you need to enter with the yellow color. Next, some flower they have given red and the leaf color. What is the leaf color? Green. So give the green here. Next, again one more flower they have given, that the flower is there and the color. To this flower you need to color it with the pink. The flower color is pink and the stem. They have given here stem. The stem color is brown. Stem ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಗಿಡ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? No. Pink ಇರುತ್ತೆ? No. It must be in the brown color. Yes. Okay. You'll do it in the home. Okay. These all are the homework for you children. This is the activity. Complete it in home and send it to me. Okay. Okay. Thank you.